kids. Are you ready? Let's play a funny game. I will say it wrong. You shout it right. Yay! Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Open your mouth, repeat with me. Wrong or right, let's have some fun. Are you ready? Here we go. 1. The sky is green, the sun is blue. Bananas are purple. Is that true? No, no, no. That sounds so funny. Kids shout loud. Corrected, honey. Sky is blue. Sun is yellow. Bananas are yellow. Bananas are yellow. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Say it right, say it right. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. You are super smart. High five. Let's count together, follow me. 1, 2, 7, 3. 2 plus 2 is 5. Oh my, is that right? No, no, no. Let's fix it fast. Count again, make it last. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. Wrong answer, wrong answer. Say it right, say it right. Wrong answer, wrong answer. Learning is fun. Yes, yes. A dog says meow. Dog says why? A cow says quack. A lion says tweet. Uh-oh, what's that? No, no, no. That's not right. Kids, help me. Shout it tight. Dog says woof. Cow says moo. Lion says roar. You fixed the wrong. You sang along. You are smart, yes. You're strong. Wrong answer's gone. Right answer stay. Learning is